Natty Dread, how you come over? Whoa, yeah. Babylon Bridge was burning down, man, how you get over? Babylon Bridge was burning down, man, how you get over? How you get over? How you get over? How you get over? Whoa, wanna know? A Rasta man is a peaceful man. A Rasta man him no trouble no one. So you better stay far with those tribal war down in a Babylon a very long time, man. How you get yeah. Babylon Bridge was burning down, man, how you get over? The Philistine was down on you, man, how you get better? How you get over? How you get over? Till a Rasta man is a peaceful man. Rasta man don't trouble no one. So you better stay far with your tribal one. Well, how you get over? Till I wanna know now. Yeah, how you get over? Natty Dread, how you come over? How you get over? How you come over? Keep your faith, young man. Keep your faith. Great is great. You could have never ever underrate. How you get them say your base have a holy party.